Hello everyone, I'm the Crafty Missy and welcome to my channel. So last year I posted some easy DIY gift ideas and this year I'm continuing with that idea. I will post some gift ideas that are easy to make and don't require expensive materials. This year I'm posting more gifts that use recycled materials or that can be used to replace disposable items. And in this second video I'm going to show you how to make laundry vinegar. It's really quick and easy to make, and it makes a great environmentally friendly gift. And you use this laundry vinegar in place of fabric softener. And laundry vinegar has actually many benefits. It cleans and freshens your washing machine, brightens and whitens your clothes, and helps get rid of stubborn stains and smells. And it doesn't have any harmful chemicals. I'll put a link in the description box where you can read more about laundry vinegar. Vinegar will also not make your clothes smell like vinegar, so no worries there. When the laundry is dry, it will just be fresh. And in this recipe, we're using some essential oil, which will leave a lovely scent in your laundry. So let's get started. You will need basic white distilled vinegar, like this bottle I have here. Don't use any cider vinegars or other special vinegars, just the basic distilled white vinegar. And then we'll add some essential oil. Lavender and peppermint work really well in this, and I have lavender here. And then, of course, you will need a bottle or a container for the vinegar. Now, this recipe makes 5 deciliters, and you will find this recipe in the description box, both in the metric system and in ounces. I'll begin by pouring 1 deciliter of water into my container. And then I will pour 4 times that, so 4 deciliters of vinegar. 1. Next, I'll be adding the essential oil. You can put anything between 5 to about 20 drops in there, or if you want to, you can completely leave the essential oil out. So I'll be putting about 20 drops in here. There we go. Let's put the lid on, and you obviously need to shake this before you use this because you need the essential oil to be well distributed in here. So always before you use it, remember to shake it. And if you are giving this to someone who doesn't know how to use laundry vinegar, it's a good idea to put in some instructions on how to use it. So here's the laundry vinegar done now. I added this little ribbon and then this tag or label onto the container. Now the way to use this is in place of fabric softener, add about half a deciliter, which is this much, of this laundry vinegar, and it will be really good for your washing machine and also for your clothes. And again, if you're giving this as a gift to someone who doesn't know how to use this, then do include some instructions. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you make this for yourself or as a gift. If you have any questions, then please leave them below. And remember, there is a link in the description box with more information on laundry vinegar. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.